Carrie, we wanted to talk about some of the common types of storm damage and what folks should look for.
That's right. I think some of the common types, or the more common types, obviously are roof damage, shingles, shutters, window damage. Harry, what do you think some of the other common types of storm damage are?
You mentioned window damage. That often leads to interior damage and having to pull up carpets and replace furnishings that hang on the wall and all sorts of things like that, because once those windows are impacted, which was what we were fearing this past storm. I mean, I took all my mirrors off the wall. I mean, you just gotta sanitize the house and get rid of all projectiles. But I think you've covered the major ones.
Right. So I think contents is what you're getting at. The contents of your home are covered if they're damaged, and also I think loss of use would be covered.
I believe
so. If you can't use your home anymore and you have to go stay in a rental,
would that be covered?
Yeah, it is covered. You can get compensation for that.
Right.
And I think one of the important things we need to talk about is the difference between wind and water damage.
Yeah.
Because that's a big issue that came out of Hurricane Andrew. And so I think the easiest way for people to remember it is if you want to get coverage under your homeowner's policy, which is typically windstorm coverage, it has to be wind first and then water second, right?
So blow your roof off and then
flood the house.
Flood the house.
Right.
You can get the flood the house.
Right. Only flood insurance will pay for floods and storm surges and rising water, but windstorm damage under your homeowner's policy will pay for rain that comes into the house after the wind blows in the door or the wind blows in the windows or the wind rips your roof off. So you have to be real careful about that when you're making a claim for damage to your home and you do have water damage to your home. You have to make sure and tell the adjuster from the very first conversation that the wind started everything.